Let's learn how you can download Pinterest videos to your gallery. I will show you this tutorial with iPhone, but you can follow up on any other device because method is same for every phone. Now without any delay, let us start by opening our Pinterest application. When you're here, you will just have to go to find some random video. I will type some winter video. For example, let's try this one. As you can see, snow is moving here, and there is no dedicated download video button on Pinterest application. So what you want to do is to click here and copy link of the video, go back to your home page of phone and go to your browser. I will use Safari. Now you will have to click on search and just type Pinterest video downloader. Click on the first one and you will have a link to post here. Click on download and wait a bit. And as you can see, you can click on download video button. And our video will be downloaded. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.